I always get asked where I get my nails done. Honestly, the nail salon is a wonderful experience, and if you've never tried it, you totally should. But if you've seen my other videos, you know I like to create the beauty on a budget and then have fun creating it. And this is how I do it. In this video, you'll see how I take my nails from fugly to fab. First step, always ensure your nails are clean prior to putting any nails on. Cleaning the area you're going to work on is probably a good practice for anything you're ever going to do in your life. Ever. Here I'm just showing you another step to getting your nails clean with some acetone. Next, it's important to prep your nails by trimming them down as short as you can with a nail clipper. But don't go so short that you clip the pad under the nail. My husband does that and I think he's insane. Once that's done, use a nail filer to file the sharp edges smooth. With that same filer and/or buffer, using the coarse side, lightly scratch the top of your nails. Scratching the top of your nail just a little bit creates tiny divots that the glue will sink into. This will help the nails that you glue stay on longer. I've tried gluing the nails on without scratching the top of my nails and it lasted for about a week. When I do scratch the top of my nails, it lasts for about 2 weeks or more. Now that we're done prepping our nails, it's time to pick out the kiss nails to measure them out in our own nail beds. I think this is the perfect everyday professional length. It's not too long, but not too short. Sasha Fierce, but not Cardi B. Each nail is sectioned out by numbers. The lowest number is the biggest nail, and the highest number is the smallest. My nail beds are actually pretty small, so I always just stick to the highest numbers. As you can see from all of the nails I haven't used yet, you can get many uses out of this kit. This is actually my 4th time using it. Once I've picked out the nails to use for each finger, I go ahead and use each nail to push my cuticles back so that they're ready and they look a lot cleaner when I glue them on. If you're familiar with a cuticle cutter and know how to trim your cuticles, then you can definitely do that. Personally, I don't like to bother with that, and it actually does save a little more time when I use the nails to just push them back. It also helps shape the cuticles into the shape of the nails you're gluing on. If the kiss nail is a little too big for your nail, you can definitely file them and shape them to fit better. Now that each nail is measured out to fit well, it's time to glue. The glue that comes with the nail kit works extremely well. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I start by squeezing a single drop right on top. With that drop, I'll go ahead and lightly spread it to cover the whole area. You want to be careful not to apply too much to prevent it from spreading everywhere on your finger, because it's quite sticky and it's not going to matter that we've got pretty nails if our fingers are glued together. Then, with the Kiss Nail Kit, carefully place it on top of yours, and press down firmly until it stays in place. This will happen quite quickly. If some glue does end up bleeding out, go ahead and dip your nail brush or a flat eyeshadow brush into acetone and carefully clean the glue away. You want to repeat this step for each nail. If some of the nails still look a little too big on the sides, you can definitely file the sides while they're glued on until they fit better. Now that all the nails are on, it's time to paint them. I usually do 2 coats of my base color, which is the Sinful Colors in the shade Tutu Thrill, which is a white shade. You can definitely use only 1 polish color, but I also wanted a pink tint, so I also applied a sheer color on top. This is Essie and Sugar Daddy, which I think is beautiful for spring, followed by a fast drying top coat by Sally Hansen, so that our nails look fresh, shiny, and dry fast so we can get on with our day. It's really as simple as that. A little tip, after about a week, it's a good idea to throw the nail glue in your purse. If a nail does end up falling off, you can just glue it back on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of my DIYs. Thank you for joining me on April LaBelle, and I will see you all next time. Bye!